Once again, you guys.
Just grabbing that juice plate on the desk.
Hold on.
Real quick.
Where's it at?
Right on the desk.
That pushes some commuters. Okay. Just as the crossing arm rolls.
So what? I'm not taking your picture. I'm taking a video. You can see the fucking lightning, can't you?
No lightning on there. Don't break that strip, please.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. I wanted to crack a big one. Take out that light again. The gate's open, right? I just want to catch a big ass lightning strike.
That light is in the middle there, is that the light?
Yeah. I just want to catch one of those big-ass lightning strikes again like I did yesterday. I don't even give a shit if anybody watches it. I just want to put it up on YouTube. For my own enjoyment.
Oh. What's that light on the end?
Where?
There's line on there's a light in the middle there.
That's the record button. Or actually the stop button. But I'm recording it, so I don't really want to push that button. It's not gonna lightning and thunder like it did yesterday. Seems like it's all over there. Oh, Oh, did you see that? I caught that on video too.
Get a bolt?
It just went like across the sky.
That's a little more light sensitive than our eyes, isn't it?
This?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Well, especially the color of the lightning. So this is that dark blue.
Let's turn off the porch light.
That'd be a good idea.
You're picking up a lot of the light from the porch.
Yeah, it is, huh? Yeah, now it's starting to actually catch bigger lightning or whatever. I like how it's like this at nighttime, but in the daytime it's all hot as hell.
Why do you think people love coming to Colorado? I wish they'd stay fucking home.
And really, I don't give a flying fuck. I wish they'd stay at home. How do you think people in Hawaii feel? Or San Francisco?
Well, people in Hawaii depend on that for their living.
Well, probably, huh? What time is it?
I don't have my watch.
Oh. Do you even own a watch?
I own like 3 watches.
Oh, they don't work.
I own this battery. I'm gonna go in and shoot myself.
Grandpa's leaving his watches all over. Like, right now his watch is in the shower. Choo-choo. Here's what I did with my computer today. Have my PC right there. And now I have my TV, my Xbox, and my PS3 over there. Normal shit over there, you know, cologne, BBs, more cologne, body spray, more cologne, and armpit shit. And a choo-choo. Oh yeah, I still haven't taken out this blue. Ow, fuck. Why the hell is there a phone? I think my parents like to fuck with me too damn much. Alright, well, I'll videotape some more if I get some more footage.